Oh my God. What's going on, guys? Long time no see. Here we are. It is, what's today? December 17th. I'm in the car with Mr. Juan Colon. He's my driver, he's my brother. We are on the drive right now to go to the pre-meet location. The pre-meet location is somewhere in Deptford. We're gonna see how that goes, and then we're all gonna convoy out to the car meet location. It's gonna be at East Borda in Glassboro. At the first location, we're gonna be meeting up with Ryan Conway. I think you guys already know him. I'm gonna introduce him to the camera, and all the people that I know that I'm friends with that are gonna be in this video, I'm gonna introduce them for you guys. And yeah, enjoy the video. We'll see you guys at the first meetup location. All right, everybody, we arrived at the first spot. Right now, we're just waiting for Ryan Conway and a few other people to get here. Right now, we got a few Mustangs and a few other Mustangs and a modded BMW. We're about to go say what's up to my Mustang buddy, Matt Warner. Guys, look who we're catching right here. Matt Warner, say what's up to the vlog.
Oh, what's going on?
Matt, who you with?
With Connor, you know?
Connor, yes sir, bro. Everybody, like I said, go follow Grabber 5.0 on YouTube. Yo, it's good seeing you, bro.
What's going on, man?
What's good, dude? This is, bro, every single time I see it, I just think of the same thing. It's so clean, you know? This is the 5.0, guys. Looking clean, as per usual. As per usual. Bro, low key, bro. You trying to rev it real fast? Give me a clip on the YouTube video. Okay, Matt. Okay. Oh, major W, that's what I like to see. Oh my God, what kind of pipes you got on it, bro? Oh my God, I think I'm deaf. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Got some more people rolling in. Bro. What, bro? No shot, bro. Oh. Damn, bro. Damn. Oh shoot. Yes, sir. Okay. Bro, this is the pre-meet too. Like, what? This is, we're out in the pre-meet, bro, and this is already happening. Holy. Yeah, bro, we're out in the pre-meet, and this is already happening. Everybody, go follow Slept On Society on Instagram right now. It's gonna be up on the screen somewhere here.
Yeah, that'll work.
And go give them a follow. We got beautiful engine, beautiful stunt brace, you know. And we got Roush air intake. Everybody, this is the dog.
Really?
Yes. And I just
see, car meets are for everyone.
him last Saturday.
Oh shoot. Mitsubishi Eclipse is rolling out. Guys, if you think this is crazy, wait till we get to the car meet. It's gonna be wild. No way, bro. Guys, I'm in the police car. There's no door handles. I got arrested. All right, guys, we're rolling out, and we'll catch you guys at the car meet. Bro, looks like we gotta be careful. Nod your head for the vlog. What? Nod your head for the vlog! Alright, guys, I'm about to rev the Mustang. Here we go, bro. Here, hold this. Thank you.
It's just me. I'm obsessed with Mustang.
Everybody, this is Kaylee. This is Ryan Conway, two people from my school. Everybody,
Like the hoodie?
go to Academy Catholic
Hey guys.
and go to that place. But we have made it to the car meet. It's East Borda in Glassboro, and we're here to have a good time. And we're here to watch many revs, many launches. I don't know what's gonna happen, but no, there's no revs allowed. But we'll see what happens. This is a car meet. You never know. Let's go, guys. Oh my, appreciate that, bro.
No problem.
You're the man. Yes, sir. Muscle every day on Instagram, everybody. Go follow for the YT. We got the beautiful Mustang that we got clips from. Beautiful Challenger, and even beautifuler Challenger, everybody. Got the LEDs, bro. LEDs underneath. Spot on. Oh my gosh. Oh, everywhere. not so bad. What's going on?
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
Smooth. Oh my God, bro. Ryan Conway. All right, everybody. We decided to take a quick stop at Wawa with the Mustang. Let's go see what she's looking like. I mean, we should be good on gas, so we're pretty much gonna hop in, grab some hot chocolate because it is cold. Grab some hot chocolate and call it a night. All right, I don't know why it's not focusing, but
yeah, right there,
who cares? Let's go. Blurry rev. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, bro. All right, guys. We got the Wawa hot chocolate. Oh, what's up, Santa? What's good, bro? It's my boy. You see, you never know who you're gonna meet at Wawa, but self-checkout, hot chocolate required. Jump in line with us. All right, bye, guys.
A few moments later.
All done. Yeah, where are we racing at? We gotta figure out.
Dragway.
We got. She wants. She likes to race. Yeah, we need either a straight road or like a really open, super duper open highway. All right, bye Wawa. We're gonna go race. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. All right, he's got a Mustang. He's got a Mustang. Holy shit. Okay, we are coming into the meet and holy, there's at least like times 10 the amount of people here. My hot chocolate is squished. Bro, wait, let me okay, guy. All right, so we're back at the meet. I'm gonna have to go through each row and get clips for you guys because my camera's almost dead and I want to get some good content. And don't forget the revs at the end. So we got Mustang so far. This Mustang, that Charger. You know what? I'm just gonna film like the eye catchers. So I'm really catching my eye. I'll film it because I can't film all like 50 cars here. We got the Honda Accord with underglow, a sound system, as you can see. Now that is, yo, this is crazy. Dang. Oh my God. Those rims, the sound system, all that. And right next to it we got another car, you know what I'm saying? It's so loud.
Look, tell me how you really feel.
Got some clean Honda Civic builds, accurate build. Shout out to Slept On Society. Everybody go follow their Instagram. It's gonna be right here on the screen. Go follow that Instagram right now. More Hondas and Acuras, bro. Yo, holy JDM, bro. Bro needs to fix his car, but holy JDM.
It's a fake hot car.
But guess what? I know the guy. Oh my, okay. 350Z Nismo. And the carbon hood. Oh. Shout out to the beauty. Wow. Bro, can you fix this car, bro? Like, come on.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. I'm filming on my iPhone only because this, okay? My camera died. So that sucks, but I mean, hey, the iPhone has 4K, 60 frames per second, so we're gonna hope that that's good enough. And yeah, we're gonna be getting clips of the good stuff, only the good stuff, only because there's a lot of repeats. Like there's a ton of repeats. We're gonna get clips of the good stuff. Revs, good cars, and good builds. See you guys there.
Guys, it's Ryan's dream car.
It's Ryan's dream car, everyone. Mustang love. Look at the wrap. God, bro. Look how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my, wow. All right. My heart. My heart. Yo, tell him to do it again. Do it again? Do it again? You tell him. No, I'm not telling him. I ain't telling him, bro. I already told him. I forgot to introduce him. We got Mateo. Oh, they're going for more. Oh! Oh! You never know. Oh my god. Oh my, I can't. Returning Mateo Johnson. My camera died, that's why I'm using this one.
I showed up.
Ryan Conway, Kaylee, you're already in the video. Everyone, this is Scarlett. Scarlett goes to PBI, and she's super cool. Any more? Bye, buddy. Oh, shoot! All right, everybody say goodbye to the beautiful six-figure cars. Six-figure cars. Bye. Everybody gather around right now. All right, today, Mateo Johnson, we're that man right there. He was never a car guy. Cars, he's like, no, I don't mess with that stuff. You're a nerd. Listen, today, we took him to a car meet, and it's time. All right, everybody, put your hands over Mateo right now. Mateo Johnson, from this day forth, you are now not only a gym bro, but a car guy. Yeah, let's go! What? He said, I'm not even sure. You know what, Mateo, go stand next to it for size comparison. Look at how big this thing is. Mateo is 5'11". Look at this, bro. My gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I'd say that we had a great video so far. Burnouts, donuts, racing, revs, car meet, beautiful builds, and more. I'd say this is a complete vid. I'm gonna end it off with somebody revving, and then I'll do my outro. All right, guys, for the love of cars and for the love of my phone battery, I'm gonna say goodbye right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, do not forget to leave a like. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe right now. More car videos to come in the near future, and the car sponsorship with my brother's Toyota Camry coming very soon. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, enjoy the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? Car limbo.